Hello friends, welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Chromosomal mutations can be identified by number 1 single strand polymorphism. Yes, agarose gel electrophoresis. Agarose gel electrophoresis do not help in identifying the chromosomal mutations. They can be identified by denaturing gradient gel electrophoresis and deoxynucleotide tail sequencing also. So if you see the mutations, so we will see what are the methods for detecting mutations. Mutations are mainly detected by, we have two methods: phenotypic methods and genotypic methods. Phenotypic methods include, we have carcinogenetic test, which is Amy's test, and we have direct detection methods, which is replica plating method. Then we have genotyping methods, which include restriction, fragment length polymorphism, DNA sequencing, single strand conformation polymorphism, and gradient gel electrophoresis. Thank you.
thank you and thank you for watching.